Understanding the exam structure. This is very, very important. You should understand the exam structure. So IG1, Management of Health and Safety. This unit include a written exam consisting of open book question that require descriptive answers. IGC2, Risk Assessment. This is practical assessment where you must conduct a risk assessment in your workplace and submit a written report. Create study plan, set a timeline, allocate sufficient time for each topic based on your strengths and weakness. A typical study plan might range from 8 to 12 weeks. Daily, weekly goals, break down your syllabus into manageable sections and set daily or weekly study targets. Revision time, include the time of revision before the exam, focusing on areas where you feel less confident. Use NEBOSH syllabus guide. So syllabus guide, start by downloading the official NEBOSH IGC syllabus guide. This is outline the key topic you need to cover and help ensure you are studying the right material. This is very important. Go to the NEBOSH IGC website, NEBOSH website and NEBOSH syllabus, download the NEBOSH syllabus guides. Learning outcomes. Focus on understanding the learning outcome for each element, as these indicate what you need to know and able how to do it. Then study resources. Textbooks, use recommended textbooks specifically designed for NEBOSH IGC. Introduction to Health and Safety work by Hughes and Ferret in a popular choice. Online course and webinars. Enroll in online courses or attend webinars that cover NEBOSH IGC syllabus. Study guides and note. Make your own notes and summarize for each topic. These reinforce your learning and provide quick revision material. Practice question. Regularly practice past exam question and case studies. This helps you to get used to the exam format and improve your ability to apply your knowledge in real world scenario. Understand the key concept. Risk assessment. Ensure you fully understand how to conduct a risk assessment. Identify hazard, assess risk, and recommended control measures. Health and safety management system. Grasp the principle of health and safety management system include policy, planning, implementation, monitoring, and review. Legal requirements. Formalize yourself with international standards and the role of International Labour Organization (ILO) in health and safety. There are many questions, basically there's a scenario question and many answers required from ILO. So formalize yourself with ILO international standards. Practice exam techniques. The time management. Practice complete past papers within the time limits to improve your ability to manage time during the exam. Answer structure. Use the PEE method, point, evidence, explanation. PEE method. What is the PE method? Point, evidence, explanation. Point, evidence, explanation. Point, evidence, explanation. To structure answer clearly and logically. Command words. Pay attention to the command words in the question, such as describe, explain, identify, and outline, and understand what each point required. In the coming video, I will explain how all command words. I try my best. So revise regularly. Daily revision. Spend some time each day to revising key concept and term. Short, frequent revision sessions, often more effective than cramming. Mock exam. Take mock exam, understand under the timing conditions to access your knowledge and identify areas of improvements. Discussion, discuss topic with peers or join study groups. Teaching or explaining the concept to others is a great way to reinforce your understanding. Prepare for the practical assessment. IG2, conduct a mock assessment. Practice conducting risk assessment in a real simulated workplace setting. Follow NEBOSH guideline. Ensure your report meets NEBOSH guidelines for the content and the formats. Use template. Considering using template for structure your report effectively. But make sure your assessment is tailored to specific workplace. Stay healthy and manage stress. This is also important. Healthy routine, maintain the balanced diet, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep to keep your mind and body optimal condition for studying. Stress management. Practice relaxation technique like deep breathing, meditations, or yoga to manage exam-related stress. Final preparation, revision notes. In the final days before the exam, focus on revision your notes, key concept, and practice question. Exam day preparation. Ensure you have all necessary materials ready to exam, such as identification and stationery. Get a good night's sleep before exam. By following these guides, you can approach NEBOSH IGC exam preparation systematically and with confidence. Constant effort through the understanding of the material and practical application will greatly enhance your chances of success.